Hey guys, it's Karen. I'm just coming to you with a very short video today. I had a disaster with my Rainbow High doll. I was trying to take off her face paint with some acetone that I have, and look what happened to it. Let me explain what happened. So I had ordered some like 100% acetone from the store, and we get our stuff delivered, and the shopper had substituted it with some stuff that apparently had like it's purple colored and it has like conditioner in it and stuff. So even though it's 100% pure acetone, it's got additives in it, and apparently the purple color soaked into her skin, whatever they used for the coloring of the acetone. I had tried it. I had used it on a different doll before, and it took the makeup off without staining, but I had to scrub to get it off and really soak it. And as you can see, even though it was 100% pure, even though it was 100% acetone, it was not getting her face stuff off, and it left a purple stain. So I actually have, I have a couple of like fake heads that I had already ordered before this happened from AliExpress that are coming that don't have eyes and hair, or makeup. So I'm probably going to have to get, when those come, because I don't think they're actual Rainbow High dolls or some kind of knockoff thing. When those come, I will try to see if I can customize those. I don't use Mr. Super Clear, so I could probably, if I did use Mr. Super Clear, spray her face. I mean, get some real acetone without any kind of dyes or anything. Spray her face, and then use pastels to build up layers to cover all that after I get the rest of the paint off. But I'm not about the Mr. Super Clear life. So I'd like to not throw this away. If anybody would like this, to try to customize it, and I'll pull out the hair plugs and stuff. And if you want it, just let me know, and I'll just send it to you for free, because I'm just going to chuck it if so. Or maybe, I don't know, do something for Halloween with it next year. But if you want this, let me know in the comments below. And if there's more than one person, if there's any, I'll do a random picker. But otherwise, like, it's yours if you want it. Just, put in the comments below if you want this thing. And if you do, I will send it to you after I pull its hair out for you and everything. But you'll have to try to, yeah. I mean, I suppose you could, like, get all that stuff off and then try that zap it crap stuff. But I'm not about that life either. I don't like to do anything that doesn't make me happy, and this head is not going to make me happy. So I'm going to see what those ones from AliExpress already look like when they come, because I already have a wig. I have a wig bought, and I have eyes on the way. So I don't really, yeah. But yeah, anyway, again, I'm kind of irritated about this, because now I'm going to have to try to find a new, if the heads aren't any good that are coming, then I'm going to have to try to get a brand new doll and start this process over. So, and I'm bummed that she's ruined, because she was a nice doll. So, okay. So if any of you want it to work some magic on or play with, let me know and I'll send it to you. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.